How to pay with PayPal on Pandabuy. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. Today on this tutorial you're gonna learn how to pay with PayPal on Pandabuy, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So by now I recommend you to create an account here, because if you want to go into the checkout you will need to have an account on Pandabuy. So I'm going into login. I've created my account with a Gmail account. Okay, now I'm into my account, and once you have done that, I'm going to look for a clock. It could be, you're going to select whatever do you need there. Let's make the example with this. There you're gonna be able to select the color and the quantity, and in some other products the size and some other stuff. So you need to agree and to add to cart. Okay, sort by color. Okay, I'm going to select this one, add to cart. Now this has been added. You can go here and click on order into this new menu on your username, and this is my order. So I'm going into pay, and there you're gonna find you have different methods.